Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is called Giant PLR Kit, a giant collection of 23,000 PLR assets. There's 3,000 PLR books. There's a whole list of everything that's included in that. And here's the discount, $2 off. So it's $12.95. There's a $2 off discount coupon code. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. It rumbles through, and I will too, a bunch of the different things that are included from Trevor Carr. It's a giant collection of PLR assets that you have PLR, MRR, so master resale. You just have complete rights to it. So 15,000 PLR articles, 3,000 ebooks, 3,000 image quotes, 300 motivational videos, 250 cartoon graphics, 1,500 mem templates. The whole thing, 23,000 PLR assets, $12.95, less the $2 off discount coupon code, $10.95. It's crazy, free, cheap, and all that. And you're paying like not even, it's like he's 0.0005. I don't know, less than a 20th of a cent for each of the PLR assets. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to, let's see if I'm still here. I'm still at that one. So I'm going to get rid of this, give you an idea what you get when you go there. So it's at the top. I just scroll past the deal of the day kind of thing. Giant PLR kit, big description of all the things that are included. You can watch Trevor Carr, $12.95. You couldn't ask for anything more than that. And there you go. There's your extra kicker, $2 off. So click the link in the video description. Come to my site at MarketingSharks.com. Click the product box there, and wait for just to load, and then run your cursor near the upper right-hand corner, and you get this pop-up. Click it, and away you go. You can grab it for $10.95. That's called the Giant PLR Kit, a giant collection of 23,000 PLR assets from Trevor Carr. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Click the link in the video description and go check out the Giant PLR Kit. Enjoy.